Namaste. Welcome to Easy Ayurveda. I am Dr. Sudarshan. Today, let us learn about Brihat Saindhavadi Taila, an Ayurvedic medicine in herbal oil form. This oil is prepared with castor oil base. It is used in the treatment of low backache, sciatica, rheumatoid arthritis, abdominal colic, ankylosing spondylosis, and such other musculoskeletal diseases. It balances Vata dosha. Mode of usage: it is used for external application, massage, etc. It is used for an Ayurveda Panchakarma therapy called Basti or rectal enema. It is also used for oral administration in a dose of 1 to 5 ml before food with water. It can be used up to 1 to 2 months based on doctor's prescription. Side effects: there are no known side effects with this oil on external application. However, oral intake and Basti treatment should only be undertaken with expert advice and guidance. Overdosage of oral intake may result in diarrhea. It is better to consult a doctor if you wish to use it during pregnancy because it can cause skin allergy in some rare cases. It is generally considered safe to use during lactation. However, consult your Ayurveda doctor for the right advice. Ingredients: this oil is prepared with castor oil base. Other major ingredients of this oil are rock salt, gajapippali, rasna, shatapushpa, yavani, swarjika kshara, black pepper, kusta, ginger, savarchala lavana, vidalavana, calamus, ajamoda, licorice, cumin, pushkara, long pepper, fermented gruel and curd water. Reference of this medicine is taken from the treatise Bhaishajya Ratnavali. To help you learn Ayurveda step by step, we have video courses, classes, books, e-books, etc. Buy them in the video description below. Thanks for watching this video. Namaste.